In today's video, I want to show you how you can add hyperlink inside Slack. So when you paste a long URL in Slack, it might look messy and nobody wants to see this long ugly link. So as an example, I want to add my LinkedIn profile over here. So what I can do, I can type this is my LinkedIn, and let's say I want to add hyperlink inside Word profile. So there are two ways. You can either press a shortcut or you can click on this icon which says link, or you can press Ctrl Shift U or Command if you are on Mac. So I'm gonna press Command Shift U, and now we can add text as a word which we want to make hyperlink from. So profile, and now I can go back to my LinkedIn and I can simply copy my URL, Command C or Ctrl C if you are on Windows, and Command V to paste the link, or Ctrl V, save. And now we can see the profile word is highlighted, so this means this is our hyperlink. And now we can send the message and test it. So I'm going to send it, and you can see if I hover my mouse on the profile, it's going to show you the URL to which it will redirect you to. So I can click on it, and it's going to open my LinkedIn profile. So this is how you can add hyperlinks inside Slack. You can do this with maybe YouTube video or your website or whatever you want. So just want to paste the URL over here, which says link. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.